Daily Slow English.
Welcome back to part 2. Today, we will explore hotels and restaurants. We will learn to order a hotel breakfast, report room problems, and solve airport issues. We will also practice correcting a wrong food order and exchanging foreign money. Before we begin, I have a question. What does the word buffet mean? Listen for the answer in our first story. Write it in the comments below. Let's start with situation number 6. The hotel breakfast buffet.
Excuse me? Do I pay here?
Good morning. No worries. Are you a hotel guest?
Yes, I checked in last night.
Great. Then breakfast is included with your stay.
Included. So it's free for me?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, I was scared to do the wrong thing.
That's very common. You're fine.
I see a lot of food. What does buffet mean?
A buffet means you choose the food yourself.
So I can pick what I want?
Yes, you take a plate, you choose, and you sit anywhere.
Okay. Can I take more than one plate?
Yes, you can go back for more.
That sounds dangerous.
A little dangerous, yes.
Where do I start?
Plates are right here. Then the hot food is on the left.
Hot food like eggs?
Yes, eggs, sausages, and pancakes.
Pancakes, very popular. And the healthy stuff?
Fruit and yogurt are on the right.
Perfect. And drinks?
Coffee, tea, and juice are over there by the window.
Great. Do I need to tell someone what I take?
No, you don't. Just enjoy.
Okay. And when I finish, what do I do with the plate?
You can leave it on the table. Our team will clear it.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is it your first time at a hotel buffet?
Yes, I usually eat at home.
Then today is a fun upgrade.
Yes, a fun upgrade.
Enjoy your breakfast, Mia.
Thank you, James. I feel relaxed now.
Great. Have a lovely morning.
I will. Okay, buffet adventure starts now.
A buffet is a meal where you choose and serve the food yourself. Situation 7. Hotel problem.
Good afternoon, front desk. How may I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm calling about my room. I have a problem.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's going on?
The air conditioner is not working.
Oh, no. Thank you for telling me. What room are you in?
Room 307 on the 3rd floor.
Okay, room 307. Is the room very warm?
Yes, very warm. I couldn't sleep well.
I understand. Did you try the power button?
Yes, I tried many times. Nothing happens.
Do you see any lights on the machine?
No lights, no sound. It feels completely off.
Got it. Thank you. When did you notice this?
Last night, it was the same then.
Okay, I will contact our technician right now.
Can he come today?
Yes, he is in the building now.
Oh, good. Thank you.
While you wait, would you like a fan in your room?
Yes, please. That would really help.
Of course. I'll send a fan up to you soon.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Please stay in the room so the technician can check it quickly.
Okay, I will stay.
If the AC cannot be fixed, we have two options.
What are the options?
We can move you to another room, or we can bring a stronger fan for tonight.
I would prefer another room if possible.
Absolutely. Your comfort matters to us.
Thank you. I was embarrassed to call.
Please don't be. This is what we're here for.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Great. We'll knock before we enter.
Perfect. I'll listen for the knock. Thank you, Mr. Collins.
We'll help you soon.
A technician is a person who fixes machines. Situation 8. Losing your suitcase at the airport.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, yes, my suitcase did not come out.
I'm sorry. Let's fix that. Where did you fly from?
From Rome this morning.
And you arrived here in New York about an hour ago?
Yes, about an hour ago.
Okay. Did you wait at baggage claim until the belt stopped?
Yes, I waited, but my bag never showed up.
Thank you for waiting. Do you have your baggage ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Great. And your name, please?
Daniel Harper.
Thank you, Mr. Harper. What does your suitcase look like?
It's black, and it has a small yellow ribbon on the handle.
Black with a yellow ribbon. Is it large or small?
Small.
Any stickers or tags on it?
Yes, my name and my phone number are on the tag.
Perfect. I'm going to check the system now. One moment.
Okay, I'm really hoping it's not gone.
I understand. Okay, I found it.
You did?
Yes, your suitcase is still in Rome.
Oh, no. So what happens now?
Don't worry. This happens sometimes. We will send it to New York.
How long will that take?
Usually, it arrives later today or tomorrow morning.
Okay, I can handle that.
Let's make a report so we can deliver it to you.
Deliver it to my hotel?
Yes. What hotel are you staying at?
The Park View Hotel in Manhattan.
Great. I need the address and your phone number to confirm.
Yes, here is my phone number. Thank you. I feel embarrassed. Like I did something wrong.
You did nothing wrong. You checked in your bag correctly.
Thank you for saying that.
Here is your file number. Please keep it.
Okay, what should I do tonight? I have no clothes.
If you need basics, you can buy a few small items. Keep the receipts.
Receipts. Okay.
And we will update you by text when the bag is on the way.
That helps a lot.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience, Mr. Harper. We will do our best.
Thank you, Miss Grant. You are very calm. It helps me.
Baggage claim is where you wait for your suitcases. Situation 9. Wrong order at a restaurant.
Hi, welcome in. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
Great. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please.
Perfect. What would you like?
I'd like the chicken salad, please. And can I have a glass of water?
Of course. Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Great. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
After a moment, here you go. 1 cheeseburger and fries.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem. What's wrong?
I think this is not mine.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
I ordered the chicken salad.
You're right. That's my mistake. Thank you for telling me.
It's okay. I just didn't want to be rude.
You're not rude at all. You're very polite. Thank you. Let me fix it quickly. Do you still want the chicken salad?
Yes, please.
Great. And would you like any dressing?
Dressing like sauce?
Yes. We have ranch, Italian, or lemon.
Lemon, please.
Perfect. I'll bring the right order right away.
Thank you for helping.
Of course. And I'm sorry again.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
Here it is. Chicken salad with lemon dressing.
Yes, that looks right. Great.
Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. This is perfect.
Wonderful. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Ryan. Have a good day.
You too.
Dressing is the sauce you put on a salad. Our last situation today, exchanging money.
Hi, am I in the right place to exchange money?
Yes, you are. Welcome. What do you need today?
Great. I have US dollars and I want British pounds.
No problem. How much do you want to exchange?
$300.
Okay, $300. Do you want cash?
Yes, cash, please.
Sure. Before I do it, do you want to see today's rate first?
Yes, please. I always worry about rates.
That's smart. Here is today's rate on the screen.
So the rate is how much pounds I get for $1.
Exactly. You got it.
Okay. And is there a fee?
Yes, there is a small service fee. I will show it clearly.
Thank you. I like clear.
For $300, you will receive 235 pounds.
235 pounds. Okay.
And the fee is 4 pounds.
So I get 231 pounds.
Yes, perfect math.
I'm proud of that.
You should be. Do you want big notes or small notes?
Small notes, please. It's easier for buses and snacks.
Good choice. I can give you 20s, 10s, and 5s.
That sounds perfect.
Great. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you go. Thank you. I feel a little nervous. This is my first time doing this alone.
That's okay. You're doing great. And you're asking good questions.
Thanks. I didn't want to sound stupid.
You don't. You sound careful, and that's smart.
Okay.
Here is your money and your receipt. Please count it with me.
Okay.
20, 40, 60, 100, 200, 230, and 1. Total 231.
Yes, 231. That's correct.
Perfect. Keep the receipt just in case.
I will. Thank you, Samantha. You were very helpful.
You're welcome, Oliver. Enjoy your time in the UK.
I will. Have a nice day.
The exchange rate tells you the value of one currency against another. Did you find the answer? What does buffet mean? A meal where you serve yourself. Today you learned to solve problems at hotels and restaurants. You are doing great. In part 3, we will call a taxi and start our first day at work. Click the link to watch part 3. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye.
Daily Slow English.